To remove your AI on Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application and go to the settings page. Here, locate the additional services option and tap on it. From the list of services, look for the AI on option and tap on it. This will open up a pop-up window showing you the current AI on setting. Select the Turn Off option to remove your AI from Snapchat. Confirm this action by tapping on the Turn Off button again. Your AI will now no longer appear on any of your friends' stories or messages. When done correctly, a confirmation message should appear stating AI on was successfully disabled. Go back to the settings page and check that the AI on option is no longer visible. You have now successfully removed your AI from Snapchat. All the stories and messages that you sent and received while AI was activated will still remain in your account. For improved security, make sure to delete any sensitive messages or stories that you don't want anyone else to see. With your AI on Snapchat now removed, you can rest assured that all your stories and messages are kept private and won't be shared with anyone else. Though the AI may not be completely removed from your account, you have full control over the settings and can choose to enable or disable it as you please. AI can be beneficial in certain situations, but it's best to remove it if you plan to share sensitive data with your friends. By removing the AI, you are taking precautions in maintaining the privacy of your Snapchat messages and stories. To make sure that no one else can access your account, make sure to delete any messages you don't want to be seen by others. AI on Snapchat is a powerful tool to use for quickly sharing content with your friends, but it also has the potential to be misused by any unauthorized user. Therefore, it's best to remove it in order to protect yourself against any unwanted intrusions. When you decide to remove AI on Snapchat, you should also make sure to delete any private messages or content that you don't want others to see. This will help keep your account secure and ensure that no unauthorized user can access your Snapchat data. You can then spend your time enjoying Snapchat without having to worry about unwanted access to your data. The process of removing the AI on Snapchat may take a few minutes, but it's definitely worth doing to maintain the privacy of your account. After you've successfully removed the AI, make sure to review the settings periodically to ensure that you have kept it disabled. Keeping it disabled will prevent any unwanted users from accessing your data through your Snapchat account.